Kansas is also holding the first popular vote on abortion rights in nearly 50 years. Voters will decide whether to give state lawmakers the power to restrict abortion rights in the first major ballot initiative since Roe versus Wade was overturned. 538's Galen Druke joins me live now for more on that. Now, Kansas leans Republican, but the polls show that this could be a very close vote, Galen. So what are you watching for?
You're absolutely correct. Kansas leans Republican. That may, in fact, be putting it lightly, right? When you look at voter registration, Republicans make up about 44% of voters, Democrats 26%. However, the abortion debate brings Kansans a lot closer. So in recent polling in Kansas, we've seen voters roughly split in terms of whether they think abortion should be legal or illegal in most cases. In recent polling on this particular ballot question, we see that the margin is almost within the margin of error. 47% of Kansans saying that they plan to support the amendment, and 44% saying they don't. And voting no here is to say that you want to maintain the state Supreme Court's position that abortion is protected in Kansas.
Now, 538's polling shows that Democrats are gaining some ground heading into November, but that they still have a long way to go. So how does this abortion rights issue factor into that?
It's a really important question, and it's a complicated one. We've seen since the Dobbs decision in June that congressional generic ballot polling, which is essentially when you ask voters, would you support a Republican or a Democrat in this election, has been narrowing, and Democrats have been improving their lot. Previously, Republicans were leading by about 2 points. And I think we can say that that's in some cases due to the Dobbs decision, Democrats becoming more motivated to vote. And, some voters who support abortion rights who might have otherwise voted for Republicans saying that they now might support a Democrat, particularly in state level races, right? Like governor's races, where this is really going to matter. And those people are going to make those decisions. At the same time, when you look at polling, it is still the case that inflation ranks #1 on voters' priorities list. So it's an open question as we get into the fall whether the economy will trump everything or whether abortion will still remain an important factor in voters' minds. Recently, we've also seen sort of news increase the salience of guns, increase the salience of other issues, democracy issues in the January 6th hearings. Will those issues kind of stick around come November? It really is an open question. We're going to have to wait and see.
All right, Galen Druke, great to have you. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.